Imagine a friend asks you to borrow some money. Either that friend will pay you back, or you will have to run after that friend to collect your money. Sales departments of large companies find themselves in a similar situation. They sell their goods and allow customers to pay on a later date. And just as you need to run after friends to collect your money, companies need to run after customers to collect their money. The people responsible for collecting the money work in the accounts receivable department. Yet the biggest challenge that they face is inefficient communication. They spend 6 hours every day sending emails to the customer, to the manager, to the sales department, over to the manager, all to collect that money. It's an endless circle of running after people. This inefficient way of managing the money collection costs large companies $165 million every year. This is why we started Collectar. We help companies collect their money faster.
To do that, we enable efficient communication between the 3 key users in the accounts receivable department: executives, managers, and specialists. A challenge which slows down the process of collecting money is a customer disputing an invoice by claiming something not to be right. To show you how our key users tackles disputes by using Collectar, we start off with the manager. He aims to identify the reasons for disputes and wants to know how to support his team.
This is the view of a manager. We're currently looking at the invoice disputes feature. The manager can see that the executive has set the target to reduce the average time to collect the money. On the right, the manager sees the top reasons for disputed invoices. Understanding why a customer refuses to pay an invoice is the first step for faster money collection. In the team overview, the manager gets a live feed of all team member performance. It seems that Max has requested help on the following invoices. The manager can select all 3 invoices and support Max by adding them to his to-do list. Now, the manager has specific targets and knows how to support his team without countless emails.
Next, let's check out how Max, the specialist, takes recommended actions to manage customer invoices faster.
This is the specialist view, where Max can see all his assigned customers. The intelligent priority indicators show Max which invoice to focus on first. Recommended actions for this particular invoice appear on the right. As the customer claims there has been a price change, Max should contact the sales department and make sure the claim is true. Our seamless communication function automatically generates a customized email template. With a click, Max sends out the request. Using Collectar, a specialist knows exactly what invoice to focus on and which actions to take. With our automatically generated email, managing one customer invoice takes seconds instead of hours.
Lastly, the executive can view the overview of the department and set new targets for their strategy. After only 1 month, the time to collect money has been reduced by 15 days. The executive can visualize the cash collection progress and sees that her target was reached by the department, all by using Collectar. We provide our customer with 3 unique benefits. First, Collectar allows you to streamline your targets across the department to achieve your goals. Second, we provide you with seamless communication that lets you interact with the right people. Lastly, our individualized workflows provide users with database suggestions on tasks to take on.
How do these 3 key differentiators fit into the market? The market for accounts receivable solutions is worth more than $1.7 billion. We target companies with revenues larger than $1 billion, which are located in the North American, European, and Asian Pacific market. After the end of year 3, we aim to obtain $5.7 million. Our key enabler to achieve this is our unique relationship with Celonis. We offer Collectar on the Celonis App Store, which gives us immediate access to our customers, and 75% of the revenues. Talking about revenue streams, we first charge an onboarding fee that covers the setup and customization, which amounts to about $30,000. Secondly, we charge a monthly fee depending on the number of customers that the customer has, which amounts to about $26,000. With all of this in mind, how do we position ourselves on the market? Based on our focus on large companies and their entire department, we place ourselves on the top right of these two dimensions.
This interdisciplinary team is committed to making Collectar the #1 management application for faster cash collection. Bring your cash collection to the next level with Collectar.